In the previous modules, we talked about the how of 3G and 4G LTE and explained all the innovations that help provide more capacity and higher data rates to enable faster, virtually instantaneous connections, along with the same great and expanding coverage you've come to love, including optimizing the channel for data, enabling richer content and more capacity, support for wider channels, allowing more users at once, using multiple antennas and carriers to greatly increase data rate, implementing multi-mode 3G and 4G LTE, providing a consistent mobile broadband experience virtually anywhere, getting the latest speeds and capabilities with 4G LTE Advanced. The next question we want to answer is why, as in why should you opt for the latest 3G and 4G LTE service on your mobile devices? As it turns out, the answer to that question is very simple, but expressing it is a bit more challenging. The fact is, 3G and 4G LTE service can help users all day, every day. You can be more productive, accomplish more tasks, and have more fun than ever before in countless different ways. And with 3G and 4G LTE multi-mode operation, you can count on reliable mobile broadband services virtually anywhere you go. There are so many things it can help them do, it would take hours to mention them all. So instead, let's imagine what a day in the life of a person with 3G and 4G LTE service could look like. Here's what we mean. Let's say person number one is out at the beach. Suddenly, despite being far from the city, a long-distance video call comes into his phone. It's his sister, informing him that he has just become an uncle. After seeing the baby in real time, he decides right then and there to head on out for a visit. While walking back to his car, he begins searching several various travel websites looking for a last-minute deal. Luckily, the connections he's making to the web are so fast and seamless, he's able to find a train leaving in a couple hours and purchase a ticket before the deal expires. Once he gets on the train, he has some time to spare and realizes that a new episode of his favorite show has just posted online. Fortunately, his phone is able to connect to a streaming website which lets him watch it without any lag time or buffering delays. Finally, when the show ends, he realizes he doesn't have anything to do for the rest of the journey. He quickly purchases and downloads a full-length HD movie, and the rest of the trip flies by. That's just one possible scenario out of thousands that illustrate all the ways that mobile broadband powered by 3G and 4G LTE can improve someone's life. Here's another. Person number two is a business executive in a taxi on her way to an extremely important meeting. Suddenly, an email comes in, letting her know that someone discovered a last-minute error with the presentation she is about to submit. This is a time-sensitive matter, and she doesn't have time to head back to the office. Without missing a beat, she begins a real-time video consultation with her team where they discuss possible solutions. When they decide what to do, she hangs up and searches the web for the nearest copy center to her destination. She finds it in seconds and calls them to verify that they have the ability to handle a last-minute assignment. Her colleagues send the updated document to her phone, where she scans it to make sure the issue is resolved. Satisfied, she emails the link to the copy center in seconds despite its large size. When she arrives, they have the newly corrected presentation ready and waiting for her. While these examples are a bit extreme, the capabilities they showcase power amazing mobile experiences. Real-time video calls and conferences can bring people together from all over. Fast web browsing without connection delays allow people to be more productive in less time. HD streaming provides many more entertainment options than ever before, and extremely fast uploading and downloading allows information and media to flow to and from the device without missing a beat. The only real limitation of mobile broadband service powered by 3G and 4G LTE is your imagination. All this explains why you will love 3G and 4G LTE service and devices. And in the next chapter, we will summarize everything you have learned throughout this digital journey, giving you the why and how behind the amazing experiences of mobile connectivity.